This is a crazy ass motherfucking dog, y'all. Y'all ever see a dog attack a lawnmower when it ain't even on? Oh my god. Look at this crazy motherfucker, y'all. It's gotta be the craziest pit. It's happening going down on Kilbourne Drive, Charlotte, North Carolina. It's happening. His name is Bullet, and he got to be one of the craziest pits I know. I swear to God, you better come around this y'all with a motherfucking lawnmower, boy. You done. Mopeds, lawnmowers, anything with small engines, he messing with them. Check him. And he don't even care. He about tired now. Oh, you tired? That's it? Yeah, he done got used to it. Oh, here you go again. Here you go, y'all. Here you go. Look, y'all, as y'all can see, he's biting on the end and everything. Yeah, Bully, we talking about you. Uh-oh. That's crazy motherfucker.